Hello and welcome, my dear friends. I'm with you all today with an analysis about the Adani issue, which is going on from a week to 10 days now. Are you an Adani shareholder? Many of us are or have at least traded in the Adani stocks at some point in time. Now, from the past 1 week to 10 days, we have seen a sharp decline in the Adani company's share prices, and we're wondering what's going wrong. This activity started on the 24th of January 2023 after a report which was published, which was issued by a short selling firm in US called the Hindenburg firm. Hindenburg is a short selling firm which makes profit by short sales on the stock market. Let us analyze the correct facts broadly. In the end of the December 22 and the starting of January 2023, the Bloomberg Billionaires Index announced Gautam Adani was just a few weeks away, exactly 37 days away from becoming the second richest man in the world, superseding the Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk with a net worth of $121 billion. Suddenly, on the morning of 24th of January 2023, a short selling firm based in US called Hindenburg firm released a report with serious allegations on the Adani group of companies and Gautam Adani. The share prices started falling sharply after that due to heavy short selling. What is short selling in the context of stock market? Short selling means you sell the stocks first, which is at a higher price, and then you square off the transaction by buying back the same stocks at a lower price on the same day. It is a very controversial stock trading strategy wherein you are doing short selling and you have to be very sure of the volatility in the market, and you have to be sure that the prices of that stock will go down before the closing of the market. In the short selling strategy, you are not required to take the delivery. That means you don't pay the full price of the stock. Just by the margin money, you do the buying and the selling of the stock, and then you square off on the same day. That means it is an intraday trading strategy wherein you're sure that before the closing of the market, the share prices of a particular company are going to go down, and that is when you do the short selling. This Hindenburg firm is a short selling firm which released the report on the Adani group of companies, throwing very serious charges and allegations of money siphoning and market manipulation. After that, the share prices started falling down, and there was a sharp decline in the fall in the share prices due to the short selling which is going on in the Adani stock. Hindenburg is a short selling firm. After the report, the stock prices have been sharply declining and huge short selling is going on the Adani stocks. So what are the repercussions of this short selling? First, Gautam Adani's spot in the world's billionaires list has fallen from second position to 17th position. Secondly, the shares have fallen almost by 40 to 50% on an average. Third, Gautam Adani's net worth has fallen by 2 lakh crores in just 1 week. Fourth, allegations that SBI and LIC were forced to fund the Adani group of companies. Fifth, there are charges of money siphoning and market manipulation amongst many others against Gautam Adani and the Adani group of companies. Next, the S&P indices Dow Jones has told it will remove the Adani securities as sustainable bonds for short-term money lending purposes. Next, the credit rating agencies are questioning the banks that will they be okay for refinancing the Adani group if need be. Next, the political opposition parties are demanding a parliamentary debate on the Adani matter and to form a special purpose committee to investigate this matter as well. Next, the RBI and SEBI are asking the banks to produce their loan exposure report on the Adani debts. Yes, so these are few of the many challenges the Adani Group chairman, Mr. Gautam Adani, is facing. And these are not easy challenges to take up by any stretch of imagination. Let us understand the other side of the coin. So, this short selling firm Hindenburg is now facing 3 criminal investigations in the US. It is now banned from publishing any report about any company. Secondly, Gautam Adani has issued a 413-page point-wise reply to the report and is going to file a lawsuit against Hindenburg. Next, Gautam Adani has cancelled the fully subscribed FPO follow public offer of 20,000 crore rupees and announced to return back the money to the investors as a gesture to reassure the shareholders that the short-term money is not his focus but long-term growth is his vision.
After a fully subscribed FPO, yesterday's decision of his withdrawal would have surprised many. But considering the volatility of the market seen yesterday, our board strongly felt that it would not have been morally correct to proceed with the FPO. This decision will not have any impact on our existing operations as well as our future plans. We will continue to focus on timely executions and delivery.
Next, the asset holdings of Adani Enterprises Limited along with other group companies like Adani Gas, Adani Ports, SEZ, Adani Power, Adani Green, ACC Cement, Ambuja Cement, etc. is very strong and huge and in fact much more than the bank loans and exposures. Next, Gautam Adani has never defaulted in any of the debt servicings or interest repayment of the loans. Next, SBI has released a statement clearly stating we haven't seen any default from the Adani Group. SBI rules out any payment default by Gautam Adani and SBI shows full confidence in the Adani Group. Next, PNB has said all debts are secured, all the secured assets are performing assets, far from any defaults and no NPAs at all in the Adani accounts. Next, after the positive statements from the banks, the Finance Minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, has told the Indian banking system is strong and robust and the matters are very much in control. Owing to the 2024 upcoming general elections in the country, such issues are well expected to create political unrest. In fact, even bigger and more intense issues can be expected and the shareholders must be prepared for this. Dear friends, these are the two sides of the coins where I have made a sincere effort to put forth the facts in front of you. As the shareholders, as the financial investors, as the bank, as the public and as the Indian citizens at large, I leave the decision of the final verdict to you. Please do leave in your valuable comments below as to what is your verdict on the entire Adani issue which is going on now. I hope you enjoyed this video. With this quick analysis, I sign off for today to see you all tomorrow with yet another analysis on matters that matter. Thank you. Please do subscribe and take care.